Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I've done quite a few videos on this today, and I thought I'd show the person. So I've got my container for my blend, or for my 3D graphic for my checkering, and I've nudged a hairline out of the way, and then I'm going to take my graphic, which in this case is fish scales. It's in a 3D pattern. You can tell it's been power clipped because it's got this comes up. So we've got that clicked, and we're going to go up to Object and Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And there's our new fish scale inside. So this does have a hairline around it, so you don't really need this one. But what I would do is nudge this back and see it jumped right there. You need to, if you ever see that, you need to make sure it goes back. And we'll put it, and see how much slower it's working because the 3D's there. So if you want to test this with your laser lid open, run this hairline and have it trace on the gun, and then you can always right click no outline, and you won't have that outline. And that pattern will be exactly where you have it on the gun. So that'll be a pretty neat graphic. There's another 3D, and I think there's one more that I have used to right now. But that would probably work. But then again, I would test that on a scrap piece of wood, your settings, and make your settings correct, and run it in 3D mode and everything, and it should work perfectly. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.